Right, this is some EDC stuff that I've just bought. It's just came today. I have already opened it because I forgot I was going to make a video. It's off edcgear.co.uk. Great website. Right, some things I bought. Just the receipt in there. First of all, we have Smart Tactical Tool. This is just like a necklace kind of thing. It's got a neck like pouch thing. You can wear it as a necklace. Just pull that, comes straight out. Same when you push it in, goes straight in, just a clip, so it's easy to put in, pull out. Right, when it's out, it's got an integrated window punch. If you hold it, that little spike at the end, you can use as a window punch. It's got a bottle opener. It's got a 3-inch ruler. Large, medium and small hex, I think that's what we call them. And a seatbelt cutter. And then I guess you can use that as a screwdriver, the window punch part, if you need to, with a nylon neck sheath. That just goes in there, clips on, goes on your neck. You can also attach it to things like a belt, I guess. Right, next is this mini screwdriver. Stainless steel. Oh, these are just a couple of lanyards. Stainless steel. It's got Phillips and flathead screwdriver. Flathead that side. And Phillips that side. It's got 3mm and 2mm hex screwdriver in there. It weighs less than 4 grams, which is ridiculously light, so that can easily go on my keychain without me even realising. Got a little clip thing. Don't know what I'm going to put that on yet. Next, got a bit of weight to it. It's like a smaller version than the peanut lighter, I think. I haven't yet to put fuel in it because it's just arrived. But it sparks. That should be useful. I don't smoke, but still should come in handy. And now I've got the beast of the lot. Got Spyderco Grasshopper. Came very sharp. Already looked at this. A bit stiff. Can't open it with one hand, but a little clicky, non-locking blade, which makes it UK legal to carry around without a reason at all, as far as I'm aware. Got a lanyard hole, even 550 paracord would fit through it, which is good. Comes very sharp. Let's see if I can find some cut. Probably not. Yeah, just a bit of rubbish. Straight through it. It's not very good to cut paper, so I'm not going to carry on, but very nice. Loving this knife at the moment. So it comes surprisingly sharp. Didn't think it was going to come this sharp. Overall length is 128mm, which is just over 5 inches. It's overall open. Blade length is 2.5 inches, 59mm. So that also makes it legal. Got a nice little groove there to put your thumb if you need to get in some close whittling or something. It's CR13, the stainless steel. It is made in China, I think. Yeah. Don't know if you can see that. Just have to believe me. Yep, made in China. CR13, not 8CR13 MOV. That's the metal. Got a nice little spider code there. So that's gonna go well. And then I also ordered from a different website. This is from One Stop Keyrings. Yes, just about, or a pocket clip even. Keys go on there, or your knife, you can attach it, goes on there. Slides in your pocket, so when you need it, just pull it out. And it's all good. That's about it for my updated EDC. I'll probably be getting more stuff soon. That's the new stuff. I do like this knife. And subscribe if you like the video. I didn't really have a plan to what to say. Thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, comment, tell me what you think. If you've got any other ideas of what I should put on, do that and tell me. Right, thanks for watching.